Morning, everyone. So anyways, I'm going up to Hector to help my mom. I gotta unload some hay for her. Well, let me tell you what. So it's cold today, and there's my block heater. Yeah, so we're gonna do a cold start. She's cranky. The sun's bright. So we've got a good little bit for that sucker to warm up, and yeah. So that way I don't I'm bad about locking the keys in the ignition. I do it all the time in the Jeep. Be good. So, it's all nice and warmed up. I just come out here 20 minutes later. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can hear that because I know the GoPro audio is not very good, but she likes to whistle. Here, I'll see if I can get y'all. I hope y'all heard that. I will say, golly. I did shut the garage. Gosh, man. Okay, so how many of y'all will go down the road and probably shut the garage and then, ooh, I don't know if I shut the garage. So I gotta turn around and go check it, and not once has it not been shut. But I'm still gonna go back and check it. I don't know what it is about it, but I'm just paranoid that I left my garage open. So let me know. How many of you turn around and double check your garage? Like all the time, not just once. You just, like, who does it repetitively? See, all right, here we're coming up on my house. See, garage is shut. Yeah, but whatever, I still had to turn around and check it. So, all right, I'll see y'all in Hector. So I thought I'd come and see if I don't have any mail. 2 rules when you check your mailbox. Make sure they're open when you check it, and bring your key. But anyway, so dude was cool enough to it's my first official YouTube mail. Yeah. See, there's my address. Oh, snap. So I can't wait. I'm really hoping y'all see me, but I can't even wait. I gotta open it. I think I know what it is, but we were having issues because they sent it back. We just talked about this, and sweet. They even sent me a little thank you card. It says, "Thanks for your support, Mark and Carol, Menard Rebel Riders." So I got a little, I don't know if y'all can see it. So they sent me 2 stickers. I got it. I think it's a yellow one and a white one. Yeah, there, y'all can see it there. So sweet. Thank you guys so much. I don't know what I'm putting them on, but they're going on something. So anyways, we come up here to the storage to get the VIN number on the boat, which is for, I don't know, but you know, it's on the back right here. Well, we uncovered it, and I don't know jack about boats, so yeah. Anyways, so y'all don't enjoy too much.
This is beyond my capability. We got it.
That wasn't quite as eventful as I was hoping, but whatever. You should have saw us trying to get it off. Don't you? Don't you feel special?
Yes. Hey, you're just as special as I am. Blind leading the blind.
I thought it was a dumb leading the blind.
Shut up, Thomas.
So who's dumb and who's blind?
I'm blind.
Tonight we want to take a moment to pay tribute to the Mueller family in their generous donation of a boat to the Arkansas Freedom Fund Freedom Anglers. It was a dream of Mr. Mueller's to help veterans in another way, and through this donation they have made it possible. Thank you so much, Mrs. Mueller.